In this video, I'll show you how to swap crypto on Revolut. To do this on Revolut, just go to the crypto section in the bottom, and then here what you want to do is click trade, and just select the coin that you want to swap for another one. So for example, I only have some Bitcoin, so I'll select Bitcoin, and then from there you want to click sell, and then you will see something like this. Now for me it's set to €2, so go and click on 2, whatever it says for you. And then from there it will say choose currency. Now here you don't only have currencies such as euro, dollar, etc. You also have cryptocurrencies. So what you can do is in the search bar just search for the cryptocurrency you want to swap to. For example, you can see if I search for Bitcoin, then here I can now select Bitcoin. And then from there I can choose how much I want to swap, so I'll just do sell all. From there click on review order, and then here click confirm order. And then you have swapped one cryptocurrency for another. So now you know how to swap crypto on Revolut. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.